Hi, my name is Jessie, and I'm going to go over how to access and explore NEC's online health portal called the Medicat Health Portal. First, you'll type into the browser bar nec.medicatconnect.com and log in here with your username and password. Since we use a single sign-on system, your username is your NEC email address, and your password is the same as your NEC email and your Microsoft account. Then you can go ahead and log in. Once you log in, you'll see the landing page, and in the center are the instructions on how to complete your required health paperwork. On the left-hand side, you'll see a navigation menu. On the top, you'll see location and hours for the Wellness Center, and then your user info tab. So you're going to go to the Forms tab and click on it. And under here, you'll need to fill out any form with a red asterisk. If you need assistance with this, you can contact the Wellness Office at 603-428-2253, or you can view the specific form tutorial videos available to you on this home page of the landing page. Now, to share your required immunization records, you simply click on the Uploads tab. Then you're going to go near the record you want to submit and click Select File to find and upload your documents. Once uploaded for future reference, you will be able to access, view, and print any records that you have uploaded here. You can do this throughout the duration of your time at NEC. You just look at the bottom here under the documents already on file. After uploading your immunization record, you're going to next go to the tab for immunizations, where you can input the dates of your vaccinations. Please note that after you complete all these sections, the Wellness Center staff will review your records and entries for accuracy and compliance. All your required forms must be completed and entered prior to your arrival on campus. As a bonus to students who complete all requirements in the Medicat Health Portal, all admissions paperwork, student financial services requirements, and all the documents in your enrollment portal, you will receive a fast pass on move-in day. This allows you to skip the lines and paperwork and move directly into your residence halls. Be sure to complete your requirements by the deadline, which is usually set during the first week of August, and then you'll receive an email notifying you of your FastPass status. See you on campus.